And welcome back to Pocket Rocket Garage. In today's video I'm going to have a go at debadging and rebadging the back of the Skoda Yeti. So already you can see that I'm starting off with some masking tape and I'm just putting this around the current badges and using the edge where the light is and the bottom lip of the boot as a guide. Just taking a pencil and marking out each letter as a reference if I do want to put these badges back on or get some new badges. Now I've got some fishing wire here, any fishing wire will do, and I'm just taking off the current badges and you can see how easily they are to come away. But if you've got a gravel driveway,
one eternity later,
it's a bit of a nightmare, but I did find most of them. And I'm just taking away the masking tape templates, each side there. And here you can see in the garage I'm storing them away. I've put some black marker pen where the letters go and I've indicated which is the right and the left side of the boot. Time to take off this horribly old chrome badge, and you can see how quickly that was to come away. I'm just masking up now the paintwork so I don't scratch it, and I'm going to use an old butter knife and just try and get underneath it, but I do use a heat gun first just to try and soften all of the glue so it comes away nicely. And luckily it came away with no problems, and all I've got to do is remove what looks like some adhesive that was on the back of the badge. All this debadging and removing the adhesive is just to make the back of the car look a lot cleaner and get ready to fit a new rear badge that I've purchased. The rear badge I went for is in Gloss Black, so you'll see that in a moment. But firstly, I'm just going to use my Maguire's drill powered DA polisher, which is really good for the DIY enthusiast, might I add. And yeah, I'm just going to give the paintwork a good going over, get rid of any swirl marks and just remove any residue left over. And the paintwork comes up really nicely on the Yeti. Here's the new badge, all the way from AliExpress in Gloss Black, and you'll see that it's got two location tabs on the back. Let's clean up the area using some brake and clutch cleaner, just to make sure the paintwork is super clean, ready to stick on the new badge. I'm just going to warm up the adhesive with the heat gun, and you get one shot of this, so don't mess up. I was quite nervous at this stage, trying to locate the pins, and then you just push it on, and the adhesive is so sticky, I can't see how that would ever come back off, but over time I should imagine it will do. And that's it all finished. I mean, the back end looks a lot cleaner, the badge looks fantastic. So that's made the rear end look way better, a lot cleaner, a lot fresher. What I want to do now is paint or wrap the bottom valance that's in silver, and I think the whole back end will look a lot better. So if you like the content, click that like button and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all on the next video.